Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide vertical axis value of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then go to the Insert menu. Then click Chart option. Then insert a chart. Then click the chart and go to Charts element. Then click the axis, and we can see here we show or hide the vertical axis. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.